Hello and welcome to a short tutorial on how to make a door line for our car. For this example we will be using Underground 1 model, which was improved, and we will be doing two different types of door lines. So the first type would be the traditional door line, which is somewhere here. Where the hell is it now? Yeah, there you go. So I already made this one. We will be doing it as well right now, and then after this we will be having a look at the Pro Street door line. This is the hatchback from Pro Street. So how should we implement this to our Underground model as well? So let's get started. I'll just hide this one away. So for this example we could go for this hood area. First you want to apply a seam around your parts. I'm not gonna do this because it's just for demonstration, but the idea is to first have the two pieces together, and we will be using this midsection which was separating both parts before as the reference. So you go and select it, there you go. Then I will duplicate, separate with P, select, edit mode, and duplicate again. And then you wanna offset it a little bit. And then duplicate again. Go for the other side as well. So the middle one I have only for reference at this point. So those two other ones are pretty equal in distance on the x-axis. We're just eyeballing here. You can always fine polish it in the end. This is just for demonstration. We don't need this one anymore. Now we have to connect the pieces together. There you go. I will also make the material red for right now, so when I'm later fine-tuning it I have a better vision of what I'm doing. You'll see what I mean in a moment. For example, here you can see already that one half is visible, the other one is a bit below the hood. So that's why I have it red, so I can see stuff like this, which we will be fixing right now. This should do. Back there, little fix. I'm grabbing it with double G so I can just move it on the edge. So from this piece there would still go a door line to there, for example. This is just for the hood. Otherwise you do want to fine polish stuff. So this should pretty much do it. Well, you would have to go around the headlights again and all the other stuff. On the door, for example, it's maybe a bit more precise work because it's, as you can see, a couple more edges, a bit more round. So that requires a bit more fine-tuning with edges and vertices, but the base idea is the same, pretty much. So if we hide that one away, this is the end product then, pretty much. On places like this, for example, where it's round or multiple shapes, you do want to subdivide again and make more of those, so you can fit the form better. But that's at least what I go for. But other than that, this would be the door line. Alright, now we will have a look at the Pro Street one, which is a bit more complicated, but not much. The issue I see here is that you have to remove a lot of edges and triangles before you can implement this door line. You can't just paste it on your existing mesh just like that, like we did here, because here we are using a plane type. You know, we are not really changing the body at all. We're just using a simple plane to simulate the door line. Yeah, let's try it. I will be... yeah, fuck it, let's go with the hood first, then we can go for the door as well. So first, now we have to remove the triangles which are in our way for this section. Sure, you could, for example, go with Alt and J and it automatically removes it, but I'm not the biggest fan of this because sometimes it messes up when you're again using auto triangulate faces, and it automatically generates stuff which can then mess up the shading, which we don't want, so I tend to not use it that often. So we'll just hand pick what we need and erase it for now. Dissolve edges. Well, sometimes shit like this happens, but we don't have to worry about that right now. All right. We will be subdividing twice. Well, shouldn't have selected this one, that's for sure. Actually, something isn't right. Again. Let's have a look again at the Pro Street one. It will be maybe helpful if we remove that stuff right now. Yep, there we go. We'll be doing this. I can remove these for now, since they don't have any effect. Now I'll just be eyeballing the rough shape. You can always fine tune it later, and you will want to, that's for sure. Have a look again. I think we are not far off right now. Let's say that's close, I guess. This place is a bit weird. let's say it's alright for now. Now this we have to move in the axis. Look. Guess for now it looks alright, but again, fine-tuning is the way to go in the end. Just gonna use the triangulate faces, if it will let me, of course. So this should do. So the problem with this Pro Street door line is that it's quite a bit of work, to be honest. Like if you have a look here, basic edges like this is no problem, but you have to create a whole lot of them. If you follow this line, you know, there is a lot of stuff that has to be included here. So it certainly can be done. It's no magic stuff, but it's more work. That's why we went with the more simple door line design on our model, which is the plain type, just used in older Need for Speed games. So yeah, that's about it for now. If you have any questions, ask, and I'll be starting to do more videos again and continuing to work on my models, because I had a little break, but I'm back now. So I'll see you guys. Bye bye.